Today is only one topic we are going to see. Okay. The topic name is drop down and alert. Alert. Okay. If when we are operating any system, if the alert comes, how we want to react? Okay. For that, take test leave ground. This is one website. Okay. In this website, we are going to take the alert. Okay, this is the URL we're going to use. So inside the Eclipse, we want to create one new class. File, a new, and then class name. Class name here is name it as alert pop-up, like that. Anything else name to give, and then give us publish ID department, and then click on finish button. Okay, class name was came here. Here, like the yesterday class, what we have learned for opening the driver, the same thing here is the code. WebDriver driver.get. This is the same command for used for here also. Okay. These two commands want to come for every website. For example, maximize also you want to take means you can able to take. So here we can able to paste it. Inside this driver.get, we want to paste that URL. Want to paste this URL. Okay. And save it. After once you saving this, you open it again. Here, we want to click this show button. Then one alert is come and we want to read this alert and we want to click on this OK button. This is the manual testing we are doing. Okay. This manual testing we want to do in the same as a automation testing. So we want to click on this show button. So for clicking this show button, right click it and see inspect there and click on this inspect. And click on this inspect. Here it was shown one address. Okay, from this address only we are going to click it. Here it's shown that span class only. Here name is not there, ID is not there. Okay. Once name is not there, ID is not there, you want to go ahead with the XPath. The XPath is a syntax. We have already seen that. I will once again show you. Here you want to type locators. Here is the XPath. Okay. The XPath syntax is XPath is two types. absolute and relative. Okay, always we want to provide with the relative only. Relative, absolute is little bit different. इसमें थोड़ा फर्क था. जो HTML कोडिंग से आ रहा है ना, वो absolute बोलते हैं. जैसा इसमें देखिए, इसमें से ये जो हाईलाइट हुआ ना, इसका जो पहले से आएगा ना, यहाँ से बॉडी इसका अंदर ऐसे से आ रहा है ना, ऐसा करके जो इस लोकेशन में आना चाहिए, उसको बोलता है absolute. लेकिन इधर एक दूसरा भी है, रिलेटिव एक्सपर्ट. रिलेटिव एक्सपर्ट का सिंटैक्स है यही तो, टैग नेम, एट्रीब्यूट, वैल्यू. ओके, as per this, here we are going to give an address for this. What is here? What is the tag name? Span. Span is the tag name. What is the attribute? Class. Class is an attribute. What is the value? Inside the double quotes is called as a value. Okay. So for here, what is our the syntax? What we have seen now, we want to give here as a control F. First, we want to give control F. Inside this control F, we want to type the double slash tag name and attribute and value. Okay. So first for that, first we want to give here double slash tag name. Tag name is a span. Okay. And then square bracket and then at. After this, once again you want to inspect this. Show again. Okay, and you want to use this attribute only because only one attribute is only available. So you want to use this attribute and that value. It is in double quotes. You want to paste it as a single quote. Because double quotes, as per our syntax, we want to give it as a single quotes. So this is the export. Okay. Double slash tag name and tag name after square bracket at attribute single quotes value. Okay. And here it's showing 1 of 10. So that means this is the address of a web element having 10 number of elements inside it. Okay, so we need a particular web element to inspect, to click on this show button. So for that we are going to add another one overall bracket. Okay, if we added that overall bracket, it is showing now 1 of 10. In that square bracket, you want to give it is a number as 1. We can give 0 also. But if we give 0, there is no coming anything else. If we give 2 or 3 coming means the third show button is showing. This button is showing. We don't need that button. We need our first button. So we want to give as 1. Okay. So this is the way we want to choose the export. So please be aware of the export. Export is most important thing. First thing, we want to give you a tag name, and then we want to give you an attribute, and then we want to give a single quotes value. Okay. If it is showing 1 of 1, leave there itself. If it is not showing 1 of them, then give overall bracket. After that overall bracket, inside you want to give a number. Once by giving the number, and after that if you're giving enter button, You want to place the mouse pointer on the last and then give an enter. Then you want to highlight the particular label. Likewise this. If it is highlighting correctly, then the address is correct. Okay. From here, we want to take a copy. Take a copy and then go to the Eclipse. After a maximize command, give dr dot find element. Inside this find element, give by dot xpath. Inside this xpath, after this xpath, you give double quotes. Inside this double quotes, you want to paste that what you have copied. Okay. Here you want to give dot click. Okay. After the semicolon, come again. Now we are going to type a for alert message. Once you click on this button, then the alert will be opened. Okay. In the alert, in the manual testing, what we have done, we have read that message and then click on that OK button. So here also we want to do the same thing. First, we want to jump into the alert. So for that, we are giving it as a alert. Alert given name as B, and then equal to driver dot switch2. Here you don't want to give driver because we have given already dr. So dr dot switch2 dot alert. Okay, here it gives me current. And after this, inside this alert, we want to give an input. Okay. And here we want to call that B again, and then dot accept. Accept indicates that clicking on the OK button. Okay, we have seen that OK button there, so we are clicking this OK button here. Okay, and we want to read that message also. The information what they have given, for the developers was given correctly or not. That also we want to see here. So we want to read that message. So for that, give sysout system dot out dot println. Inside this println, give double quote. Sorry. Inside this, give that B and then dot get text. By this, the information what given in the pop-up, we can able to read it. Okay. Because it is suddenly it will open and suddenly will close. We can't able to know, we can't able to read it. So for that, we are giving here as a get text. This get text will get the text and then print it here in the console. Okay. This is the easy way. The alert came and suddenly it's gone. So we can able to see it in the console. See, this is the alert information, what it was came. Okay. So for seeing little bit slowly, we want to give it as a Thread.sleep. Only for seeing slowly. Okay. Thread.sleep. Yes, semicolon.
2000.
This 2000 is a seconds, 2 seconds. So 2 seconds here you want to give as a 2000. Okay. So for here now you run it means then it will show clearly. Okay. Yeah. Fraction of seconds now. So now this is the way you want to learn the alert. Okay. Here, for example, you click on this show button. One alert is coming. You click on this OK button. Okay. Then you click on this show button again. The second show button, it's showing OK and cancel. If you want to click on the OK button, then what you will give? .accept. For that OK button, you want to give .accept. Now, take a assignment like clicking on this cancel button.
.accept ही आएगा.
नहीं.
.reject है.
नहीं. .dismiss है.
Dismiss.
Okay. लेकिन एक ही तो प्रेस कर सकता है. पहले आपने ये जो मैसेज को रीड करिए. रीड करने के बाद .dismiss. या काली बस उतना ही है. ठीक है. जैसा मैं इधर क्लिक किया वो क्लिक करो. क्लिक करने के बाद या अलर्ट स्विच ऑन करो. स्विच टू अलर्ट करो. अलर्ट करने के बाद टेक्स्ट मैसेज से रीड करो. ए बी मत दे दो. दूसरा वाला दे दो. दूसरा नेम दे दो. दूसरा नेम देने के बाद इधर गेट टेक्स्ट करो. उसके बाद इधर एक्सेप्ट का जगह में डिसमिस करो. फाइंड एलिमेंट में भी तो ब्रैकेट में जो 1 है उसकी जगह पे 2 लिखना पड़ेगा. बराबर. बस उतना ही था. ठीक है. ट्राई करिए. बस.